Hi, let's see how we generate a video in a single click by our Adzis app. YouTube is the second largest search engine. Generate a video using our Adzis app. Upload in your YouTube channel to turn viewers into customers. Don't miss the free traffic from YouTube channel. To generate a video, go to Login Adzis web app. If you are a new user, go to Register. If you are already registered, just log in with your login credentials. Once logged in, click on the main page. In the main page we will see an option to generate videos. If you have a Shopify store, click on Showcase Video button under Shopify Store and log into your Shopify store. Then generate video from the suggested topics. Do the same for if you have a Woocommerce store. Or upload a product catalog by choosing any one of your platform like Shopify, Woocommerce, BigCommerce, etc. Once uploaded, click on Showcase Video. Adzis will suggest you a few video topics for your store. Choose any one of the suggested video topic from the list. Wait for 2 to 3 minutes. Now your video is ready for download. Just download and upload it to your YouTube channel to get more traffic for your store. If you have any doubt, you can contact us by chat and get a quick reply. Thank you for watching. Try Adzis.